Hello, today we will explore the world of the lucky god. Their story reminds us of the importance of being careful in our work. Good luck, and let's get started.
And now they will have to spend more money to fix the house. It will be very expensive. He is fine. Oh my God! My heart almost jumped out when I saw that scene. The recovery process, to the point of not being outstanding. It's absolutely insane how the tree falls down perfectly, as if you've naturally executed a bowling shot.
Are you alive?
The necessary use can complete the prevention of this problem. The tree is too heavy for men to handle automatically, and sometimes it is necessary to rely on the right equipment. My job not only need to be effective, but also must ensure safety, avoid serious results. Check out this shocking moment. A man was cutting down a fallen tree on a tight rope. As a result, the rope bounced back and threw him away, a situation that was both unexpected and dangerous. One thing you should never do when cutting trees is try to take on the role of a crane. Trust me, this rarely ends well, often leading to unexpected and dangerous accidents. When working with trees, always be prepared for the unexpected. As this man did, while trying to unload some freshly cut logs, they suddenly rolled off the cart, leaving him in a state of shock. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to follow more interesting and exciting content. Oh, imagine if he waited for help instead of taking action himself. This is a powerful reminder that sometimes you need to trust yourself and act quickly, instead of waiting for someone else to come to your rescue.
Holy shit!
Oh my God! There's no way he could have seen that coming. Tree cutting can be incredibly unpredictable, reminding us how dangerous it can be. There is nothing more dangerous than a tree falling unexpectedly while cutting. Always be alert and prepared for any situation, because this is a job where the unexpected can be life-threatening. This is clear evidence of why you should never stand under a tree that is in use. Just imagine the consequences if a large branch fell on this man. It would be a patterned carpet. Using a chainsaw for tasks it was not designed to perform is not only inefficient, but extremely dangerous and wasteful. This man was squeezing a tree on a rainy day, the day he faced one of his most brutal and stressful moments. Transporting large logs through busy streets requires close management and supervision from company officials to minimize accident risks and ensure public safety. Safety is a top priority, and this technique proves it. Some loggers have adopted this method to reduce accidents, and it can be effective when used properly, especially for those who take safety seriously on the job. Always use a safety harness when logging. They greatly reduce the risk of falls and are vital in saving lives. This video shows how dangerous and difficult logging can be. Watch as the situation takes an unexpected snowy turn. They thought the car would act as a wedge to catch the falling logs, but it didn't work out as expected. That was the final farewell to the chainsaw. There was no way it could survive such an impact. Check out this man's surprise when he finds a squirrel sitting on the pole he's working on. The slap he gives the little creature is a little funny. It just shows the surprise, and the problem wasn't there before. What process could be more efficient than this machine? It makes it easy to remove tree stumps quickly and with surprising accuracy. Looks like the tree is about to fall on him. Maybe running across might be a wiser move in this situation. Some loggers are truly brave. Imagine having to cut down a tree that is engulfed in flames. What could be more terrifying than that? Look, the log after being cut flew straight into the neighbor's house, breaking their fence in the process. This man seemed to enjoy his work, not realizing that his idea of fun could cause serious injuries. Imagine if that branch broke. What would be his fate? She actually used her hands to tear that log apart. It must be said that she is not only strong, but also clearly has respectable experience in handling wood.
Yeah, when he is an understatement.
This is one of the unwanted consequences of using a ladder to cut down trees, a habit you should definitely avoid and never imitate. It's frustrating to cut down a tree that just won't come down. It may seem like a wasted effort, but it's a common challenge in this line of work.
If you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to get all our latest updates. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next videos.